Good morning, students. Previous class, what is the exponent? What is the basic ERC? So introduction finished. Today, exercise 1. See, first problem. They're given. Write the base and exponent in each case. Write them expanding form. They are asking what is the base, what is the exponent. Now here 3 power 4. So this is a 3 power 4. This one in this problem, which one is the base and which one is the exponent. Here see, base is 3. Exponent is a 4. Expanding form. Three power 4 expanding form. See, 3. 4 times we are multiplying. 3. Why 4 times we multiply? Here exponent which number? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times we are multiplying. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Actually 81 this problem. 3 power 4 value. Now they are not asking value, just expanding form asking. Next, 7x square. 7x whole square. This is called whole. Now see, 7x square means 7 and x square. But this is 7x whole square means 7 square and x square. Here see, next, here base is which one? 7x. Exponent which one? 2. Expanding form, 7x square. 7x, here see, this is a base power how many times given? Base we are multiplying, power 2 times. So base is 7x 2 times we are multiplying. 7x into 7x, third one. 5ab square. See, base 5ab. Exponent 2. Base 5ab, exponent 2. Now here expanding form. See, 5ab whole square. So base 2 times multiply. 5ab. Fourth one. 4y whole power 5. Here base 4y. This is a base. Next, exponent 5 power, that is a exponent. Expanding form, we know expanding form of 4y whole power 5. See, this is a base how many times we multiply? 5 times. So 4y. So that is a expanding form. So base we write, expanding exponent we write, expanding form we write. So they are asking first one, write the base and exponent and expanding form. That is the first problem. Copy that one. Next one, write the exponential form of each expression. Here given expanding form given. Next one, what is the exponential form? Second one, expanding form here given. Like here see 7 cross out, 7 cross out, 7 cross out, 7. 7 4 times multiply. Here see, so they are asking exponential form. Exponential form. Here see, 7 cross out, 7 cross out, 7 cross out, 7. Here 7. How many times we are multiplying? 4 times. So that is a exponent. So 7 power 4. Next one. 3 cross out, 3 cross out, 3 cross out, 5 cross out, 5 cross out, 5. They are asking, that is a problem. Here see, next. Here exponent. Exponential form. Here see, 3 cross out, 3 cross out, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. Here 3. How many times multiply? 3 times. So 3 power 3. Mark 3. 3 times we multiply. 3 power 3. Cross out. 5 out. How many times we are multiply? 4 times. So 5 power 4. Next, third one. 2 cross out, 2 cross out, 2 cross out, 3. Here see, exponential Here exponential form. Here see 2 cross out 2 cross out 2, 3 cross out 3 cross out 3, 5 cross out 5 cross out 5. Here 2, how many times we are multiplying? 3 times. So 2 power 3 cross out. Next 3, how many times we are multiplying? 3 times. So 3 power 3. Next 5, how many times multiply? 4 times. So 5 power 4. Copy that is. Just one problem you are carefully understand, remaining as is that like only. Next third one. Third one. Here see. Express the following as the product of exponent through the prime factorization method. They are asking prime factorization method. Already I said in the previous class. What is a prime number? What is a factors? Here see, prime numbers means two, like a prime number, a definition. A number has two factors. That factors are, one is 1 and another is itself, and another is itself. So that is a prime number. Example, see, prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So these are 1 to 50 between prime numbers. Here see, 2 factors, 1 and 2, 3 factors, 1 and 3, 5 factors, 1 and 5, 7 factors, 1 and 7 are simply. So 2, how many tables coming? 2 number, like a 1 table, 1 2 jar 2. Again 2 1 jar 2. Yes, only 1 table, 2 table only coming. That like as it is 3 also you check. 1 3 jar 3, 1 table coming. 3 1 jar 3. Next 5 you check. 5 1 jar 1 5 jar 5. 5 1 jar 5. So these are prime numbers. So we are using the prime numbers, that is a prime factorization method. Here first problem, 288. So 288, first, all prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. So here odd number, odd number, odd number, odd, 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 odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number. So these all are odd numbers, but 2 is even prime number. Now see, first prime number is a 2. 2 table 288. Where? So 2 table 2 where coming? 2 1 jar 2. 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are. Again 2 you check. 2 7 jar 14. 2 2s are. Again 2 3 jar 2 6 jar. Like a 2 3 jar is 6. 2 3 jar is 6. 1, 12. 2 6 jar 12. That like. So 2 6 jar 12. 2 18 jar. 2 9 jar. 3 3 jar. 3 1 jar. So 288. Only prime, we are using prime numbers only. Only we are using prime numbers only. So 2 5 times coming, 3 2 times coming. So 2 how many times we multiply? 5 times. 2 power 5. 3 how many times we are multiplying? 3 square. 3 power 2. So this is a exponential form according to prime factorization method. 288 equal to 2 power 5 cross out 3 square. And next problem. 1250. So we are using prime factorization. 2 6 jar 12. 2 2 jar 4. Remaining 1 5 0 10. 2 5 jar. Next 3 you check, 5 you check. 5 125 jar. 5 25 jar. 5 5 jar. 5 1 jar. Here see 2100 to 250 equal to 2 cross out, 5 cross out, 5 cross out, 5 cross out, 5. Here 2. 5 how many times we are multiplying? 4 times. 5 power 4. 5 base 4 times we are multiplying power 4. Here remaining 2 problems are homework. Next there fourth problem. Identify greater number in each of the following pair. Next fourth one. Now they are asking greater value, expanding form not, and base and exponent not. Just they are given exponential form, you convert the expanding form their value. Now 2 power 3 or 3 square. So 2 power 3 is a bigger value or 3 square are a bigger value. Which is the bigger value? Here see 2 power 3. Now base is a 2. Power is the 3. Exponent is the 3. So base how many times we are multiplying? 3 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 square. Base 3. How many times we are multiplying? 2 times. 3 3s are 9. So now 2 power 3 less than 3 square. Why? 2 power 3 value how much? 8 less than 9. So 8 coming from 2 power 3. Next 9 coming from 3 square. So 3 square is greater value. Second one. 5 cube or 3 power 5. 5 cube or 3 power 5. 5 cube. This is a base 5. Exponent is a 3. 5 3 times multiply. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are on 25. Now 3 power 5. 3 base exponent is a 5. 3 5 times you are multiplying. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 21. Sorry, 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 3s are 243. So 243, 125 less than 243. So 3 power 5 power 3 less than 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is a greater value. Now there remaining only one problem. That problem you write. Next one, if find the value of, just next one I say remaining problem one homework. Fifth one, if A value they are given, B value they are given. So first problem, A power B plus B power A. That is the first problem. So we know A value, we know B value. Substitute in the places A and B value. So A equal to 3, B equal to 2. So A square, A power B plus B power A. Now A value how much here? Base A. A value 3. Exponent B. B value 2. 3 square. Press. Here B value how much? 2. A value how much? 3. Now 3 square value 3 into 3 plus base 2 3 times you multiply. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 9 plus 8, 17. Next one. A power A plus B power B. A power A plus B power B. So we know A value 3, B value 2. So A power A plus B power B. Now we know A value 3. So here base 3, here base A exponent A. So base 3 exponent 3. Why? A value is 3. B value 2. So here also B base exponent also B. So 2 power 2. 3 cube 3 power 3 plus 2 into 2. Why? Here base 3 power 3. 3 times we multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 2 times we multiply. 4 31. So there remaining 2 problems homework. No, next third one I said see. A plus B whole power B. Now here see. A value 3, B value 2. So A whole power b. Now a value how much? 3 plus b value how much? 2 whole power, b value 2. So now 3 plus 2, 5 square. So 5 into 5, 25. So next one, only minus they are given, that is a homework. Like a fourth one, a minus b whole power a. We know a equal to 3 value, b equal to how much? 2. So a minus b whole power a equal to a value 3 minus b value 2. Just substitute, everywhere substitute. Here a value 3. Now 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 power 3. So 1 3 times you multiply. 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1. So write that is. So next one, here's law of exponents. Here there are some formulas. You follow that formulas. This lesson easily you can learn using the formulas. There are just 5 or 6 formulas. Using that formulas. Tomorrow we are discussing about that formulas. Shall leave the class. So these one time you practice at home. Take care. Stay at home. Shall leave the class.